Here we go, the first two out in the new yard. Nobody's hit the fence yet. What you doing? Missy says I have a big yard to run in. Run, Missy! Run, Missy! Where's Shyla? There goes Shyla. Good girls. Watch out for the fence, it'll shock you. Good girls! Missy, Shyla! Run, Shyla! Yay, Shyla! Where's Missy? Come on, Missy! Missy! Come on, Missy! Now we got a racetrack going. Woo! Woo! Come on! Missy! Shyla! Come on! Come on, Missy! What you got? Okay, back to work. Hey, there we go! Hey, Maggie! Maggie says this is fun out here. Hey, Liza! Hey, Liza! Go find a bunny. Go find a bunny, Liza. Liza, your hair's standing up. Come on, Mocha. Mocha! Mocha, you're such a chicken. Come on. Come on, Moki. Moki, come on! Yay, Mocha! Come on, it's okay! Yay, Mocha! Yay, Mocha! Go find a lizard. Find the lizards before they go into hibernation. Bear has a lizard. Get him, Bear. Get the lizard. Get the lizard. Come on, Missy. Come on, Missy. Missy says I'm having a good time and I'm hot. It's too hot out. It's like July. It feels like July. Mocha, that fence is hot, so you be careful because you're a chicken liver. Moki says, I'm a chicken liver. Yes, I am. Yes, I am. Hi, Missy. Hi, Missy. Hi, Missy. Gate installed. It's in the 90s. I'm ready to have a heat stroke. And I still have to go take care of the horses. Who wants to get wet? Windy does. Windy wants to get wet. Kathy wants to keep the camera dry. Raven wants to get wet. I am not ambidextrous. Renee wants to get wet. Why don't you guys come a little closer? It would be easier. They're too hot to even roll, aren't you? You're too lazy. Hey, Windy. Nobody's going to do anything. Nobody's going to do anything. They're wanting to know where their food is. Where's lunch? It's coming in a minute. Hi, Renee. There's Wilbur taking his mud bath. Hey, Willie. Hi, Willie. You're all wet. Willie's all wet. Willie says I'm all wet and muddy. and very muddy, aren't ya? Yum, yum, yum. Hi, Rambeau. Rambeau. Scout seems to be chewing better since Christine Griffin did his teeth, and he just looks all in all more comfortable since she was here, so I think it did him a lot of good. Hi, Scouty. Scouty says, don't bother me, I'm trying to eat my lunch. I'm trying to eat my lunch, huh, Scout? Flash has been here 5 weeks. I've trimmed his feet 5 times. I'm a little bit happier with what we're coming out with here, better form and function. Still has a long way to go, but I can live with it. And his winter coat's coming in really dark. It's a really pretty color. He's a very good boy. Very easy to handle, very agreeable, but he's not very fond of other horses or the burros. He likes me. Huh, Flash? He says I'm a people pony. Hi, Joey. Hi, Serena. Journey's End Ranch Animal Sanctuary is right at the foot of the Cerbat Mountains. The Cerbat Mountains are where there are some Spanish Mustangs that amazingly are left alone by the BLM. They number somewhere between 40 and 90 depending on who you talk to, which is not genetically viable, so eventually they will probably die out, but for now at least they're up there living like wild horses should, pretty much unmolested and at peace. These are coyote melons that grow in the desert. They're a gourd. They look like you might think you could eat them, but you can't. The inside pulp was used by the Indians for soap and bleach for cleaning and washing things. It's very bitter. It's toxic, but it's useful if you can be bothered with those kind of things. And here are the dogs, or at least a few of them. Rainey didn't go out in the new yard today because she was afraid to go out there. She's kind of a timid dog, but everybody else had some fun. Here's my truck that I bought in 1983 when I got divorced. It's a 74 model Ford F100, so it's been around a while, and it's the only vehicle we have here. Got my wild horse on the front and my Shoot the BLM bumper sticker, courtesy of New England Equine Rescue. Somebody has promised that they're going to donate a 1990 something model Toyota pickup to Journey's End Ranch Animal Sanctuary that has a brand new engine in it, and I never count chickens before they hatch, but if we do get it, it would be really nice because I get about 7.5, 8 miles on the gallon on this truck, so if they donate that Toyota to us, we should get about 17, 20 miles on the gallon, which will help with the gas bill and also help the environment.